Hi, I'm Susan Irby. I'm your culinary wellness expert. So today we're going to make a Caesar salad, very classic dressing, and requires really freshly washed and dried romaine lettuce. So we're doing a Caesar salad. You just want to cut the ends off. You saw me trim that. And now I'm going to rinse the lettuce in the whole leaves, roll it up in paper towels to dry it, and chill it. I'll actually slice it and chop it later, just before we're gonna toss it with the Caesar salad dressing. You can use paper towels, or you can use freshly laundered kitchen towels. I can't find the kitchen towels because I'm at my niece's house. So I'm going to use paper towels. And that's Lola. Caesar salad for 6 takes 3 nice cloves of garlic. Guess what's next? Anchovies. Even when people say they don't want anchovies in their Caesar salad, I always slip them in. So we have 1 barking dog, 1 lemon, and we just need half the lemon. So we're going to, there we go. Put our garlic anchovies in our glass bowl. There we go. And we're gonna take our fork and really mash the garlic and anchovy together. And try to avoid the barking dog.
You really want to mash the garlic and the anchovy together. We have half a lemon we're going to squeeze in. But first before we do that, we're going to put in grated corn, tablespoon or so, and 1 egg. And the acid in the lemon will cook the egg.
Grape Poupon is a must. Has to be Grape Poupon. No other mustard. They're not paying me to say that. 1 egg. Worcestershire sauce. Hi, Lola. So now we need a lot of cheese. Normally I use Parmigiano Reggiano, but they didn't have any at the store, so I'm going to substitute with an Asiago. Grated Asiago cheese, and stir that in here. That's it. So once we do that, then I'm going to chop the lettuce, toss it in, Caesar salad. There you go. Duh, I gotta put in olive oil. Duh. This is brand new. Do you have another olive oil that's open?
How much do you need?
Like half a cup.
Because I have this, which is the same thing.
Oh,
But it's going to have to be filled anyway, so you can just open it.
okay. Well, I can use it.
It's up to you. But it's the same thing.
Oh, it's the same thing. These are nicely dried in their paper towels. I'm going to unroll them and slice and dice.
You slice in the plank first. And then, turn around, you slice this way.
Would you like some wine?
Sure. Whatever's open. Okay, it's been a little while. We have the whole family here. And hi, Tegan. Can I say hi? There's Tegan. My great niece. The lady behind is my niece. And I'm going to toss the salad very carefully. So you take really big spoons, you go down the sides of the bowl, and then you carefully lift up. Yes, some lettuce is going to come out on the sides, but not much. And then you just keep doing that until it's all tossed.